did not punch you. I did not deck you.
That is Amber yelling at Johnny, the verbal altercation after a physical one between the two.
I didn't punch you, by the way. I'm sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. You're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you.
How are you?
What am I supposed to do? Do this? I'm not sitting here about it, am I? You are. That's the difference between me and you. You're a baby.
The audio of the undated brawl played in court after he revealed new claims from another incident where his finger was famously severed.
I was looking directly at my bones sticking out.
For the first time, Johnny on the record, alleging his wife threw not one, but 2 bottles of vodka at him after an argument in 2015.
She threw the large bottle and it made contact and shattered everywhere. And then I looked down and realized that the tip of my finger had been severed.
And while Amber has previously denied Johnny's allegations, he insisted it happened in Australia 1 month after their wedding.
I knew in my heart, this is not life.
And Depp claimed Amber left a rather disgusting present for him after they argued around the time of her 30th birthday.
My side of the bed was human fecal matter, and she tried to blame it on the dogs. Sorry, I could not agree with her. I'd lived with those dogs. I picked up their fun. It was not the dogs.
Johnny took the stand for a second day and immediately took on his ex-wife.
She's a need for conflict. She's a need for violence. It erupts out of nowhere, and Ms. Heard could very easily drink 2 bottles of wine per night. Well, not a problem.
He testified Amber targeted him physically,
Throwing a TV remote at my head.
and verbally.
Tell me what a bad father I was, and that I had no idea how to parent. It's to slice you up. It's to bring you down. It's to demean you.
He testified that Amber's actions made him more likely to use drugs, like he had begun to do when he was 11, amid abuse from his mom.
You start to slowly realize that you are in a relationship with your mother, in a sense.
And he made these stunning claims.
Ms. Heard had spoken of suicide on a couple of occasions. Many times when I would try to leave, she would stop me at the elevator with the security guards crying, screaming, you know, I can't live without you. I'm gonna die.
So why did you stay with Miss Heard given this type of behavior?
I suppose because my father stayed.
And we're joined once again by Court TV's Chanley Painter. Chanley, we can't see the jury, but you can. How do you think they are reacting to all this graphic testimony?
This jury is reacting to superstar Johnny Depp like they've reacted to every other witness. I'm surprised because they know who he is. He's Johnny Depp. And they're just like, oh, regular Joe, let me take a couple of notes. That's it. But today, I did notice a little bit of a shift to the one woman who sits on the front row of the jury box. She seems into Johnny Depp. She's nodding, she's taking more notes, and she's even looking over to Amber Heard in a critical manner, like, how is she reacting to what he's saying? He did have a joke today. He cracked a joke at an objection from Amber Heard's team.
Let me ask you a different question, Mr. Depp.
Yes. Let's let him object to another one.
And I finally did see 3 of these jury members smile in response to what he said the first time in the hours he's been on the stand.
Thank you for watching. If you want more extra, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll never miss a video.